If you have been researching indexed universal life insurance, or IUL, and you are comparing policies, underwriting classes, and rate structures, I need you to hear this. The team at Financial Retirement Plans is currently offering something that can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your policy. My name is Sarah, and I am here to walk you through exactly how this works and why it matters for your retirement. Before I get to the offer, let me make sure we are on the same page about what an indexed universal life policy actually is, because understanding the product is the only way to understand why this rate promotion matters so much. An IUL is a type of permanent life insurance that provides two things: a death benefit for your beneficiaries and a cash value component that can grow over time. What makes an IUL different from whole life or a standard universal life policy is how that cash value grows. With an IUL, your cash value is credited interest based on the performance of a market index, like the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ 100. You are not directly invested in the market. Instead, the insurance carrier uses index-linked crediting strategies to calculate your gains. Here is where it gets interesting for retirement planning. Most properly structured IUL policies include a floor, often 0%, which means that in years when the index performs negatively, your cash value does not lose money from market downturns. You participate in a portion of the upside through what is called a cap rate or participation rate, and you are protected from the downside. Over time, that cash value can potentially be accessed through tax-free policy loans for retirement income, which is one of the reasons high-income earners and business owners use IULs as a supplement or alternative to traditional qualified retirement plans. Now, here is what most people do not realize when they start shopping for an IUL. Your underwriting class, the health rating the insurance carrier assigns you, has a massive impact on how much you pay and how your policy performs over the long term. Life insurance underwriting classes typically break down like this. Preferred Plus is the best rate class. That is for people in excellent health. Then there is Preferred, Standard Plus, Standard, and then rated categories like Table 2, Table 4, and so on for people with certain health conditions. The difference between a standard rate and a Preferred Plus rate is not just a few dollars a month. It directly affects your cost of insurance inside the policy, which is the internal charge the carrier deducts from your cash value. A lower cost of insurance means more of every premium dollar goes toward cash value accumulation. Over 20 or 30 years, that difference can compound into tens of thousands of dollars in additional retirement income. This is why the underwriting class you receive is not just a detail on your application. It is one of the most important factors determining whether your IUL performs the way your illustration projects. And that brings me to why I wanted to get this in front of you today. Right now, for a limited time, the team at Financial Retirement Plans is able to offer clients a Preferred Plus underwriting rate, even if you would normally qualify at a standard rate or better. Let me say that again. If your health would typically place you in a standard, Standard Plus, or preferred underwriting class, you can receive a Preferred Plus rating on your indexed universal life policy through this promotion. And if you have health conditions that would normally place you in a Table 2 rated class, they can currently get you approved at a standard rate. What does this mean in real terms? It means lower cost of insurance charges inside your policy. It means more of your premium is working for you in the cash value account. It means your policy has the potential to accumulate more over time, which could translate to greater tax-advantaged retirement income down the road. Now, I want to be upfront with you, and this is important. This is a limited time underwriting promotion. It will not last forever. These types of carrier promotions come and go, and once it is over, you will be rated at whatever class your health qualifies you for. Also, and it would not be right if I did not say this, an IUL is not a guaranteed investment. Cap rates can change. Policy performance depends on how the underlying index performs, how the policy is structured, and how it is funded. IULs work best when they are properly designed and adequately funded by someone who understands the product. A poorly structured IUL can underperform, and policy loans, if not managed correctly, can reduce your death benefit or even cause the policy to lapse. That is exactly why working with an experienced team matters. So, who should be paying attention to this? If you are a business owner, a self-employed professional, or a high-income earner who is already maxing out your 401k or SEP IRA and looking for additional tax-advantaged retirement savings, this is worth a serious conversation. If you have been quoted a standard rate on life insurance in the past and assumed that is just what you would always get, this promotion changes that equation. If you are in your 30s, 40s, and you want a retirement income strategy that includes a death benefit, downside protection from market losses, and the potential for tax-free income, an IUL structured at a Preferred Plus rate is one of the most efficient tools available. And if you are someone who has been rated Table 2 and thought permanent life insurance was too expensive to make sense, getting a standard rate can make a properly funded IUL viable for you. Here is what I would like you to do. Call the team at Financial Retirement Plans directly at 83020133336. Ask for a personalized illustration so they can show you, with real numbers, what the Preferred Plus rate means for your specific situation compared to what you would normally qualify for. You can also visit financialretirementplans.com, where you can run their retirement income calculator and see how an IUL fits into your overall plan. Financial Retirement Plans is a family business with over 48 years of industry experience, and they work with people every single day who are looking for smarter ways to build tax-free retirement income. This Preferred Plus rate opportunity will not last, and I do not want you to look back and wish you had made the call. 830-201-3336. Let them help you build your plan. Please call 830-201-3336 to see how much you can receive in retirement.